You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very, very curious word in English. Very confusing pronunciation, but it's actually easy once you know. So let's break it down. If you want to learn, by the way, more vocabulary in English, stay tuned. I've got many more videos for you. So essentially remove the E in the spelling, okay? What do you get? Forfeit. Yeah? Forfeit. Well, that's exactly how you pronounce it. So it's very, very easy once you know the stress is on the first syllable. So British English pronunciation will go as forfeit, with essentially a silent R. The Americans will say forfeit, but it's essentially forfeit. Forfeit. It's easy once you know, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.